Safe cable management is extremely important. Poorly or unsafely secured cables can lead to malfunctions, short circuits, and even fires. Think of cables lying in water or not properly separated. Conduct RoofSupport, with its click-and-go system, offers the ideal solution. It installs quickly, safely, and without tools, and guarantees a quick potential bonding up to 100 meters. Simply click the wire mesh cable trays together, attach them to the roof supports, and finish the installation with optional covers for a fully safe cable management solution. This creates the required cable height above the roof. RoofSupport keeps cables dry, well organised and fully compliant with regulations. It is cost-effective, easy to install, corrosion-resistant and PUTS wind certified. Available in multiple sizes and configurations, with wire mesh cable trays, matching covers and roof supports for every application. Safety to solar. Discover more at roofsupport.nl.